In this video, we'll show you how to manage your event types. Let's get into it. To access event types, navigate to Settings, then select Event Types. On the Event Types page, find the event type you want to manage from the list. Click the event type's name to view and edit its details, such as the search criteria, tags, color, and priority. Select permissions to set whether the event type is available to all apps or just one, and to manage who can see or edit it. Select Save to confirm your changes. Use the status column to enable or disable event types. If you need to clone an event type, select the Clone option to create a duplicate and customize the cloned event type as necessary. You can move event types you own to a different app by selecting Move and choosing a new app from the App Context dropdown. We can also delete an event type by selecting Delete. This option will only appear for event types you own. To validate an event type, navigate to Search and type Event Type, followed by an equal sign and the name of your event type. Finally, we can review the results to confirm that our event type matches the intended events.